Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create menu click that scrolls down like this on a single page. Welcome once again. My name is Olayinka Olayokun and I'm a digital marketer. As you can see, a t-shirt digital marketer, and my core area of specialization is search engine optimization, development, content creation, and strategy. In this video, like I said, I'm going to teach you how to create menus for a single page website. Excuse me, and make menu items that on click would take you straight to the sections. So you can have multiple sections on your single page website. You can have a place where you showcase products, a place where you have FAQ, a place where you have contact details, all all can be in the menu, in your menu hub here, and on click it just takes people directly to that section. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Um, Mind you, this particular video was created just for this purpose, right? And this website is my personal website, right? It's my personal page, a single page personal profile that I built for myself. And I believe that for every creative, every marketer, every developer, you need to have something like that serves almost like your portfolio, where people can look through and have a simple idea about all that you have done without having to go through your CV, right? So hence the reason for this, right? Um, so yes. So this is my website. So where do we start from? First off, I'll refresh it so it's back to basic settings, and I'm also going to remove the menu so that um, nothing is showing there as well. So it everything can be plain and we can take it up from there. So now, things that you need for this website. If you build your website with a page builder like Elementor or any other builder, right? As you can see, I've taken the menu out. You can use this. And if you didn't build it, like you can also, so this method is strictly for the page builders, basically. This particular, I'm going to do another video where I show you, if you, let's take for instance, you built your website without with a template, right? And you didn't use any of this visual builder, right? I'm going to make another video. So let's go straight into this video. So in this video, I have all of this content, right? And the way I've structured it, I make sure that this is my about page. Simple and short. It has my picture and it has a short summary of who I am, right? And just after that, I have a page that talks about what I do. And in simple time as well, I drive growth, sales, and everything conversion for brands, right? A simple summary of some of my experience in the last 1 decade plus here as well, and some products that I've created, that I've built, right? Like I mentioned, I'm a T-shaped. I develop, I design, optimize, I create content, and then I promote, right? Promotion means using Google Ads, social media ads, and and you may be the same. You may be doing the same thing. We may be doing similar things, right? Hence the reason for this video. So one thing, what we need to do next is to go into our pages, this particular page that we've developed. So I basically just at the top here, edit pages, edit the page, right? I click on edit the page. And I think in another video, I'm going to show you how to build a one-page website like this. So in another video, I'm going to teach you how to build a one-page website like this. Um, so I click on page, edit page, and because I built this one page with Elementor, I click on edit with Elementor. Now, there are two options. I could have as well clicked on edit with Elementor on the page itself instead of clicking edit page, if you remember. So if you go back a bit from this video, you will see that there is edit the page and edit with Elementor, right? So you can use any of the two, right? And yes, so for your page, this may not show, so I take it away. I took it away, right? So yes, that's what. So we are here now. For this website, I created all of this content into sections. So this is a section. A section is l- like a category in sort of. So if you have a house, your parlor is a section, your dining is a section, your kitchen is a section, your rooms are sections. So you can have three rooms, right? They are all sections, meaning that if you have a video camera, a video um, monitor, and you have cameras in all the rooms, you can just create the camera monitor in sections. So one button to watch a particular section, and the section could be room number one. Another section could be room number two. Another section is room number three. Exactly the way this is. So my about page is one section, which is this, and this this right, and from the top, right? Not if you by the time my mouse will take my mouse away from here, you see that this place will change to blue and it will have three icons. That's a section, right? When it has two icons like what is here, like it's a section inside a section, if you know what I mean. It's an inner section, basically. This is an inner section in a real section. So I give you another example. This is a section. A section usually has three buttons like this. Can you see? If you pulls your mouse on this, it says add a section, add section, meaning that you want to create another section, right? This is to edit the section, and this button is to close the section. Now, this on the other hand is an inner section, right? Can you see the mouse over edit inner section? So inner section can always stays inside a main section, right? Okay, so whatever we are going to be doing, we're going to be doing on the main section, the one that has three columns, three buttons, right? Now, so my third section is the section where I have the product that I've built, you know. Now, if we're going to work on this part as well, we're going to work on these three buttons, as you can see, right? So good. Now, so we need to give this particular section, the main section, a name, a unique name, a unique ID. Let me not call it a name, a unique ID. And you remember, it's already known as about me. So we can use that, we can call it about. We can give about to this section, right? And this section that talks about what I do, I can also give that section a unique name like of what I do, right? what I do, right? And then this section, since it's for product, I can also call this section product. Now, watch what I'm about to do. Because anytime I try to move my mouse up here, this header is covering it. So that's why I'm going about this. So yours may not be this way, right? You might just be able to access the header of the top. So once you're able to access this, just right click and click on edit section, right? But in my case, for me to be able to edit this top, I need to go through navigator, right? The navigator would have all the sections on this entire page, right? So, and I'm only dealing with three. If you know, remember, there's one here, this one, and this one. I'm ignoring the other ones because they are hidden. Basically, they are already hidden. They are hidden from the website. Nobody will see them, right? So, I click on this first section. When I click on it, it takes me. So after I click on it, if you look at this side, you should see edit section, layout, style, advanced. The only business you have is with advanced section, the advanced part of this section. Now, another place that you need to go is ignore every other thing. Just go to CSS ID, click on it. And then remember, I already said that we are going to call this section about. So I'll type about there. I update. Please do not forget what we call this first section. We call it about. Not about me, not about us. We called it about, right? We didn't add anything to it. No comma, no space, no hyphen, nothing else. Just about. Good. So the next section, which is this section, once you click on it, it comes up. And then, like I did for the first one, you only have business with the advanced part of it. And then once I click on it, I go to the CSS ID. Remember, said we'll call this what I do. Now, there's a way where there's a way to write when you are writing more than one word. There's a way to write it. If you look at this pop-up, they said add custom ID without the pound key, e.g., my hyphen ID. Don't put space, right? You can write it together, but really, when you write it together, then that means that word does not exist. My ID, if you write my ID, I mean might, that's what it means, right? In English words. So now I want to type what I do. I will type what hyphen I hyphen do. That's it. So click on update again. And then the final and the third section, which is this. The next thing I also do is I go to advanced section. Remember, make sure that you are not clicking on the inner section, the advanced, the one with the three buttons. I click on advanced and then here I just write product. I can either choose product without S or with S, but in this case I'll put S. And then I click on update. Now that we have done this, the next thing that we need to do is our menu. Now, if we click on view page and we want to see our page, we'll see that nothing special has happened, right? Nothing special has happened. It's still our page. Nothing as special has happened. Now, but watch this. We need to go to the menu and create the menu buttons that when you click, it will take us to where we want to be, where we want to go, right? So I click, so then you come here. Once you put your mouse on this will drop down. Click on menus, right? In your case, you may not have this. right? You may just create a new menu, right? And how do you create a new menu? You can just click on create new menu, and you can call it main menu and create. All right. If you check here, you see this is the menu here, and it's also here. Now, so what we need to do is, excuse me, we come to custom links. Click on it, and then first off, we type. If you remember, we have about, what I do, and product. So the next thing to do is you put an hash tag, and then you type about. We didn't add anything other than the hash. We didn't add anything other than, and this must be before, not after. Before it. Then I can call this menu about me. So what people will be seeing is about me. It's a custom link. So the next one, excuse me, we do is for what I do, right? So what I do, and remember the hash key, then we type what I do. The way we typed it in the section, what I do, what I do, right? And then I click on add to menu. You see? Then the last one, which is products. Come here again, hash products with S, if you remember. Make that mistakes, and then products. Then add menu. Now, another thing, final thing that we must do is click on this primary and save menu. Now that this has been done, we can then now visit our website. It's still not showing, right? Yes. So there's one more thing that we need to do. Right? And so, but the good thing is our menu. Oh, interesting. So, and I didn't do anything special. I didn't even do anything. All I did was just to do add reset, right? And my add reset is Shift Command R. And because we have created the menu, remember, we created the menu, we created the sections, and then we have added them. Now, let's try what we have done if it works, right? If you notice, the website is still loading. Okay, it's downloading now. So let's try what we did. Voila. And so another thing I want to do is to make this menu menu sticky. So when I click on this, the menu still stays here, right? And I would go to the Elementor's header. This is the header, and I'll go to advanced motion effect sticky to the top. And let's see how it performs. Okay, so once we've done that, we'll click on view page. And okay, just go back to your home page. Home page is home. And yes, this is our home. As you can see, I'm not pressing, I'm just scrolling. And when I scroll to a section, you see what happens? The menu is selected. When I scroll to the next section, that's what happened. And then, so let's assume I want to go back to the About Us. I just click on it and then takes me there. As simple as that. So if you have any question, please do not forget, subscribe, share, and like this. If you have if you have any question whatsoever, please don't forget to drop your comment in the section, in the comment section. If it's a problem that you would like me to fix and address, kindly drop the comment in the comment box. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next video. I remain yours sincerely, Inka. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell, and share with you so that when I post another video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.